Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We got a 2018 Big Country. The model number is a 3560 SS. Let's go inside and take a peek. Walk right in. You got your big 18 cubic refrigerator. It's gas and electric. It's almost residential size. Nice, solid through there. Then working our way over here, so you got convection microwave oven, you got the new gas top with the bigger burners, glass oven there, you got the nice big island here, double sink, stainless, lots of storage underneath, you got drawers, cabinet space under there, cabinet space there, that nice drawer, solid wood construction. Heartland, so very good quality. You got storage there. They use residential type hinges. You got a little wine rack up here. You got actually a little pantry here. Like I said, solid roller bearings. So very nice. Lots of room for some storing your goodies. More storage above the TV here. Your stereo system right there. All your cable outlets there. Nice big screen TV. You got your fireplace, electric fireplace there. They use the Thomas Paine furniture. This is a sleeper sofa. Then you got your recliners there. And then more storage above here. There. You got your LED lights above us with a ceiling fan. These actual recliners are heated and massage. You've got your MCD shades that pull down. This is the blackout shades. Got your frameless windows that swing out. Lots of storage, lots of room. You got your table and chairs here. There's two other, it opens up. There's two other chairs under the bed inside there. So it gives you a nice big table. And then when you're coming in here, it's your work center here with all your control panels and stuff right there, all your battery checklist. You got a little place for hang coats, like I said, residential type refrigerators. So very nice quality unit, built in Indiana. Walk up into the bedroom. You got a nice big grab handle there. Here's a closet here. Here's where your washer and dryer, they go in there. There's your two chairs right there for your dining room table. And then you got your bathroom with your porcelain toilet. You got a nice big shower with a bench seat in it. Skylight above, so big tall guy. You got your fan here. Pantry here. More storage there for all your goodies. Corian. No more wood, like I said, solid storage underneath, storage there. So you got the pass through. And then in here you've got a fireplace. You got a nice big TV for the bedroom that's got the whisper quiet AC. You got a lot of shelving here. So you got a built-in like dresser right here. So the SS on the stands for the super slide. So this is a king bed. It's a double slide. It slides out. So look how much room you have here. And like I said, king bed, and you've got all this room here. And that's what the SS and the model stands for, super slide. And then you got your big closet, go clear across. So you got places for shoes. You got your Dyson vacuum right there. A lot of room for shoes and coat hanging closet. It's all the way full across. Very nice unit. So this has the 4-step, the aluminum steps, lightweight. You got the big grab handle. You got your big awning with LED strips underneath it. And those are the frameless windows you can see there. They swing out. That's the frameless window there. So you got your under bay storage here with magnetic, so you don't have to hold nothing. Nice, lots of room. It's actually heated compartment. Here's an extra spot for a TV if you want to put a TV in here, swing out bracket. So right here's your propane tank, one on each side. So these are hydraulic jacks, auto leveling jacks, which are very strong, very nice. Outdoor speakers for underneath the awning. More storage into the compartment in the front. That's where your batteries go. They're actually pre-wired for a solar, like if you want to put a solar panel on the ground to charge your batteries. The gel cap front end, and this is the tight turning radius, so you can actually tow it with a short box without having a slider hitch. But here's the slide and a slide. So see how that works? You got 2 slides, that's what gives you that room in the bedroom. So this door here swings here. Here's where your control panel for your auto leveling is, right here. And then here's all your water and all your hook drains for your sewer. So your cable and everything comes from underneath, so you can lock it up, hook up your water filtered system. So pretty cool. And then, so you got the big slide. This is was your kitchen area. This got the power cord reel right here. So it's pull it out and electric reel going in. So you got your little fiberglass cap on the corners. It's pre-wired for backup camera. So the frameless windows, they swing out, so then rain doesn't come in when you're coming sideways. So they actually hang below the window frame. So you've got your nice big heavy-duty ladder to get up on top of the roof to inspect the roof or if any damage. So LED lights for your lights. But that's a very nice unit. So if you're looking for these are a true live-in type trailer. So the 3560 Heartland, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.